And we have a stick.
She doubted my abilities on making a marshmallow stick.
I did doubt his abilities.
But look at this beauty.
What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. I need a break from this headache of a project. So my girlfriend and I are taking a trip up to northern Arizona, the Flagstaff area, a little place called the End of the World. Sounds a little bit gnarly, but we're gonna go check it out. It's supposed to be really beautiful. Just packed up Bessie here to close up this garage. I have to get gas, go pick up the beautiful lady, Michaela, and then hit up a grocery store to get ice, food, and all that other fun stuff. Let's get it. All packed up, picked up the lovely lady, and we are all ready to go. Let's get moving to the end of the world. Started late AF as usual with Michaela and I.
And whose fault was that?
Oh, why do we have to turn around and get something? That's what I thought. We got some Wendy's, 4 for $4. Shit's hot. I think, how many miles we got? So we got 27 miles to Flagstaff. We're gonna get gas, firewood, chocolate for the girlfriend, that's a must. Probably pick up with you guys when we are on the trail. We have about, I think there's like 20 miles of trail driving to do. So
Where are we going?
We're going to the end of the world. All right, y'all, we just got to the spot. Look at how gorgeous this is. Hold on, let's just walk over here real quick. So this is why they call it the end of the world. Oh, look here, there's a little ledge down there. Let's check it out. All right, so we're gonna go set up the tent, and I'll probably put you guys up on a tripod and time lapse it. This is awesome. All right, let's get started, babe. We're out here. We made it. Staying toasty by the fire.
Nice and warm.
Our ears are nice and cold.
Not mine.
I meant nice and warm. I'm a little too many beers deep then already, I guess. All right, let's make some s'mores. So we got the marshmallows, got the graham crackers, and we're a little bit different. We're going with the Reese's because fuck you, why not?
Have a stick.
Oh yeah, she doubted my abilities on making a marshmallow
I
stick.
did doubt his abilities.
But look at this beauty. Not only can we roast them from sitting right here, we got 2 at a time. You know, you gotta shave off the ends, you gotta shave off the bark, you gotta shave off the handle bark. And yeah, we're about to get to roasting. Holy crap.
Ooh.
Man. Now that's the small right there. Mm-hmm. You know how we rocking? We got that double s'more action. Mm-hmm.